Hello friends, welcome to my channel and welcome back to my another video. Today I'm back in another Bitcoin graphs and chart. I will describe everything about the graph. So let's start. First of all, I'm on the on-day chart. In on-day chart you can see this graph is going to up. If I go to on hour chart, you can see this graph also going to down. If I go to 2-hour chart, you can see this graph is also going to down. If I go to 3-hour chart, you can see this graph is going to up. If I go to 4-hour chart, you can see this graph is going to down. So if I go to 1-minute chart, you can see this graph is going to up. If I go to 15-minute chart, you can see this graph is also going to up. If I go to 30-minute chart, you can see this graph is going to up. If I go to 45-minute chart, you can see this graph is going to up. So it's unclear how to market going on. For this, if I go to on the chart, you can see market is going to up. So it's so difficult how's the market going on, but I can take a nice prediction. For this, I go to 3-hour chart. In 3-hour chart, you can see market is going to up. So if I go to on the chart, here we can calculate how is the market going on. First, I take a scale of the graph. I get 3 scale. In this 3 scale, you can see at that place market going to down, and he stopped at that place. Now the market is going to up. So it's not sure the market is going to up, but it's 30% sure market is going to up. After that he can go to down at that place. So I think market is going to up now, and at that point he can going to down again. He follow this lowest pip. Look here, he's going to down. After that he going to up. After that he going to down, and he go to that place. So I think it's going to that place. I divide 50-50. So I think market is going to that place. After that he going to down or up. So I think everybody understand what my prediction is. If you know the good prediction, please comment below and share your idea. Now I describe about the Bitcoin price. Today's Bitcoin price is 22,688.90 USD. Today's Bitcoin price is on BTC is equal to 22,688.90 USD. I hope everybody liked the video. If you like the video, please subscribe my channel and share with your friends. Thank you.